name's Kimberly Hancher, and I work as the agency's Chief Information Officer and Director of the Office of Information Technology. OIT supports the agency's data center, its network, telecommunications, and connectivity throughout the headquarters and field offices. I'd like you to meet some of the people behind the machines. Hey Everett, how you doing? Hey, I was wondering, we're doing a video on the people behind the machines in OIT. And since you're chief of the Telecommunications and Networking Division, I was wondering if it would be okay if we filmed some of your people.
Sure, go ahead.
Hi TM, how you doing today?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm doing well, and I'm so glad that our network is doing well. And I'm also glad that you have so much equipment to use when you need to do troubleshooting on our network. This is a network monitoring mobile station. Helps to isolate network-related problems. This over here is a network sniffer and the software that goes with it, also used when there are tough network problems to deal with. And over there is, well, tools that we all recognize, pliers, scissors, and that sort of thing when the work comes down to hands-on. Now, you work in which branch and for which branch chief?
I work for Network Infrastructure and Telecommunication branch, and Frank Chow is our branch manager.
Oh, Frank Chow. Yeah, we've got to go see Frank Chow. Hey, Frank.
Oh, Kimberly, how are you?
Good.
What's up?
I was just wondering if you could take a moment and tell us about the network monitoring.
Oh, okay. Yeah, basically what you see here is our SolarWind workstation, and this particular screen that you're seeing, it shows the all the EEOC's office as far as their status. The other screen is showing us the top 25 sites that as far as their bandwidth usage is concerned, and we have to be concerned about bandwidth usage all the time. And aside from network management, my branch is also supporting the audio-video support as well as the telecommunication telephone nationwide. It keeps us busy all the time.
Hi, my name is Brett McIntyre. I'm the Deputy CIO and the Chief Information Security Officer. And I have with me today our ISO team. And our overall goal is to ensure the security and availability of EEOC's information systems, meet the federal mandates, and hopefully minimize the impact to the end users. Betty?
Hi, I'm Betty. I'm in charge of security for our outsourced resources such as HR and financials. I'm also in charge of the IT disaster recovery for the overall data and for security awareness training.
I'm Richard Koplow. I do security for our IMS database, our document management system, and I do network security testing.
Hi, my name is Sam, and I manage network and desktop security, and part of our strategic vision is to assess current technologies, and currently we're assessing iPhones and tablets and Galaxies and other smartphones, so stay tuned.
So if you have any questions or concerns, any security questions, if any of our security policies are really making your life miserable, please give us a call. Let us know. Thanks so much. Bye.
Hey, Valerie.
Hi, how are you? Hello.
Oh, I'm doing well.
Good, good.
Valerie Prue, Chief of the Desktop Services Support Division, and Valerie Sandy, one of our project managers. We're doing a little video on the people behind the machines, and I wanted to ask you if it's okay to film some of your staff.
Sure, absolutely.
Okay, great.
Hello, I'm Shirley Bethia of OIT. I'm the Property Inventory Specialist. I would like to share with you the Form 633 transfer form which I've input into the system in Momentum. I also assist the IT specialists out in the field as well as here in headquarters. Thank you very much. Have a great day.
Hey, I'm Mike Edmondson, Team Lead for Tier 2, Tier 3 Desktop Support in OIT.
I saw some of you in the field during the recent laptop deployment, which we've pretty much wrapped up now. We're looking ahead at other technologies to possibly implement in the future, such as mobile computing, looking at iPads and netbooks, tablets, and so forth. Tyrone Willett will explain a little further about a lot of the things that the department is working on right now. See you around.
Hello, my name is Tyrone Willett. I'm with the Desktop Support Division. Basically, my primary role is Tier 3 technical support here in OIT. We're currently working on 2 devices. Tablet PC, which is this device right here. As you can see, it actually swivels. It has a stylus that comes with it that allows you to actually write on the screen. The other device we're currently working on is the netbook, which is this small, lightweight mobile device, primarily used for users who travel a lot. Also, since my role, since I do handle a lot of technical issues, advanced technical issues, basically I've traveled to a lot of the field offices and I see some of the issues that you're experiencing, and currently we are working on trying to, improve our process for helping our IT specialists in the field. That's some things that we're currently undertaking here in OIT. Thank you. Have a good day.
Hi, I'm Chris Farmer, Acting Director of the Systems Development and Operations Division. I'm here with Marie Carey, and we're going to take a tour of the computer room.
So we're in the computer room, standing in front of the network infrastructure that all EEOC users have to go through to access applications such as email services, BlackBerry services, and DMS on servers such as these. So basically, this is where it all happens.
Hi, my name is Mark Dodgers. I'm a contractor for OIT. I've been here 6.5, 7 years. I'm currently the backup manager and system administrator for all the Microsoft servers. If you ever wondered what IMS looks like, this is it here.
Hi, my name is Eunice Rama. I'm a contractor with EEOC. Been working here since 2000. I help the end users a lot with their telework issues, like when users are not able to connect to the office computers or to telework. We are the ones that help them to make sure that they are able to work from home. I also work with specialized applications like SAS, DBMS copy, case map, and also with any printing, scanning issues that they might have. So helping the end users is my job, and I enjoy working with them. The people here are really very nice. That's what we do. Thank you.